Okay, so welcome back to day 4 of the eval to funded series, okay, where I'm going to be taking you through starting an eval fresh to be able to passing it, to be able to getting a payout. So obviously this was the trade that we took today. It was a lovely trade towards the day's point and control. We also did have a naked point and control down here, but due to what we did with the CVD divergence and what I saw just before we broke through, I then took a trade, mean reverting to the point of control. I think on the day we did probably, we would have gone down and hit the naked point of control. But I'm going to head over to Quantile now, and we're going to be able to talk it through all of it. Let's go. Okay, so here we are back on our beloved app. So as you can see, we did hit the naked point of control on the day. But you would have been in that trade for a while, and I didn't really fancy that. So obviously we had our target set out. We had this point of control, this point of control, and all the way up here. But obviously I didn't think we were coming out here because we came out of value on a really large day, composite, I think that's 4 or 5 days. We came through this value area, and I just didn't see us going higher than today's point of control, basically. But why did I take this trade? Okay, so at the time this was a low volume node. Basically means that buyers and sellers didn't agree in that area. Okay, so we got quick rejection out of it, and it's likely that you can see quick rejection out of it again if you know what you're looking for. So also after market open, which was about here, we saw that we came down, we're trending down on CVD. It means that aggressive sellers have more control, whereas if we look at actual price, we're trending up. Okay, so after that, what am I looking for? I'm looking for a passive seller, a passive buyer to really take this up and prove to me that price actually wants to move higher. And the way that we did that is if I go back to this screen, so let me just double check. So 935. Yeah, so in this sort of leg up here, we actually saw that the price candle was bigger than CVD. That means that a passive buyer is willing to bid price up. Passive buyers again are normally the people that are trading much larger contracts than you and I. For example, the banks. You want to be riding the waves of momentum that they create in the market. Okay. Yes, I know the market's closed. So just going ahead and heading back over there. So we're trending up here. As you can see, this candle was larger than this candle. So after that, if we head back again, I'm looking for some sort of where we previously met resistance. Okay, so if you're looking here, like why didn't I pick a different area? Why this area? Okay, well it's because if you look at sort of the general wicks on the 500 tick chart, they're all kind of coming in at this area. Okay, so what I wanted to see was for price to go through, a passive buyer bid this up, and just ride the wave of a little 2-to-1 RR. Just believe in yourself, believe in your trades, and you can make it happen. Again, any questions, please do leave it below, but we should be passing this account pretty soon as long as all's well. But have a good day. Bye.